I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we will learn a strategy to find equation of a quadratic function when 3 points are given to us. The question here is, write quadratic equation whose graph passes through the points a minus 5 minus 25, b 2 minus 46, c minus 7 minus 73. You can always pause the video, answer the question. You can also contact me to learn, as many students have been doing extremely well after our classes. We put you on this success path. Let us now see, how do we solve such a question? Well, in general, when we talk about a quadratic equation, it is y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, correct? Now, given these 3 points, we actually get 3 different equations. So let's say point A, which is given to us as minus 5 minus 25, we get an equation. Minus 25 is the y value, so minus 25 equals to a times 5 square plus minus 5, b times minus 5 plus c. And that gives you the equation minus 25 equals to 25a minus 5b plus c, correct? Now, second point is given to us as b 2 minus 46. Substitute this point, minus 46 being the y value, 2 being the x value, right? So, substituting, we get, in simplified form, minus 46 equals to 4a plus, this is 2, right, plus 2b plus c. Third point being minus 7 minus 73. So what we can also do is that we can subtract the first and second equations and get the third equation, right, where the c will not be there. Similarly, we'll use the third equation, let's say c, which points given are minus 7 minus 73. So minus 73 equals to a times minus 7 square plus b times minus 7 plus c. So that gives us equation as minus 73 equals to 49a minus 7b plus c, right? So we have our first 3 equations based on the 3 points given to us. Now, after these 3 equations, we can subtract equation number 2 from 1 and get another equation, right? So we'll do equation 2 minus equation 1. So if we do that, we get what? Minus 46 minus 25. That means minus 21, right? So we get minus 21 equals to, we are doing these 2 equations first, okay? So we are doing equation 2 minus equation 1. So 4 minus this will also minus 21a. And we get here 2 minus minus 5 means 7b and c cancels, correct? Now let us do difference of these 2 equations, 2 and 3. So 73 minus 46 will be what? 13 minus, we are doing equation 3 minus equation 2, right? So 73 minus 46, 3, 13, that is 7, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So we get minus 27 equals to 49 minus 4, 45. A minus 7 minus 2 will give us minus 9b, right? C cancel. So as you can see, now this time we get these equations and we can actually simplify these, right? Okay, so let's simplify these. The first one I can divide by 7, so we get minus 3 equals to minus 3a minus b, right? So that becomes the very first one. Sorry, this was plus, right? Because 2b minus minus gives me plus, right? Okay. Next one, when we simplify, we can divide it by 9. So we get, dividing by 9, we get minus 3. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 1 minus b, right? So we get minus 3 equals to 5a minus b. So now we have our next two equations from where if I add them up, b's get cancelled, right? And we can find the value of a, correct? So let's call these equations as equation 4 and 5. Clear? So if I add equation 4 with equation 5, then what do we get? Minus 6 equals to 2a, right? b and minus b cancels, and that gives me the value of a as equal to minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3, correct? Now once you get the value of a, which is minus 3, you can find b, right? So one of these equations, we can say, let's say we use equation 4 to find the value of b. B equals to minus 3 plus 3 times a, which is minus 3, right? Which is minus 3 minus 9, that is minus 12, correct? So we get the value of b as minus 12. So you know both a and b. Now you can also find c. We are running out of space here. C, we can use any of our initial equations, right? Now to find the value of c, we can substitute the value of a and b in our very first equation, correct? And find the value of c. Let's do this. Let me do it right here. So we have minus 25 equals to minus 25 times a, which is minus 3, minus 5 times b, which is minus 12, plus c, correct? So taking all these terms to the left, we have minus 25, and that is plus 75 when you bring it here. And minus minus plus becomes minus 60 equals to c. So minus 25 plus 75 is 50, and minus 60 will be minus 10. So we get the value of c as minus 10, right? And therefore, the equation, I can write this as equal to what? Y equals to, the value of a is minus 3x square, b is minus 12x, and c is minus 10. Is that clear to you? So that becomes the equation for which these 3 points will be there. You get the idea. The space was very less. However, the standard way of doing it should be Substitute the 3 points to get 3 different equations. Subtract one from the other to eliminate C first, right? Once you eliminate C, you get 2 different equations. From those, eliminate B to find A or A to find B. Then you substitute the values of A, B and find the value of C as we did here. So I hope this strategy is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.